Hello friends, I am Dr. Vaishali Vasavda. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about derivatives of the neural crust, so which happens during third to 8th week of embryonic period. So before understanding about the derivatives, first we need to know what is neural crust. So neural crust is a group of specialized embryonic cells that originate from the neural tube during early development. So क्या होता है early development के time पे during first, second and third month of pregnancy फर्स्ट ये जो न्यूरल ट्यूब है वो फॉर्म होती है और न्यूरल ट्यूब में से न्यूरल क्रस्ट फॉर्म होती है एंड फर्दर न्यूरल क्रस्ट में से बाकी के जो डिराइवेटिव्स है, बाकी के जो टिश्यूज एंड सेल है वो डेवलप होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट जो इसमें से फॉर्म होता है दैट इज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. सो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू क्या होते हैं? तो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इज अ टाइप ऑफ बॉडी टिश्यू दैट सपोर्ट, कनेक्ट्स, बाइंड्स एंड सेपरेट्स अदर टिश्यूज एंड ऑर्गन इन द बॉडी. सो इन शॉर्ट हमारी बॉडी के जो मसल्स है, ऑर्गन्स है, उनके बीच में एज अ पैकिंग ये जो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है ये काम करते हैं, जो सपोर्ट भी करते हैं, दो ऑर्गन को कनेक्ट भी करते हैं एंड बाइंड भी करते हैं. Then bones of face and skull and cranial nerve ganglia. So nerve ganglia are nothing but the collection of multiple nerve cells. Then C cells of thyroid glands. So thyroid gland के जो C cells होते हैं वो बहुत ही specialized cells है जिसमें से calcitonin नाम का हार्मोन जो है वो secrete होता है. Then conotruncal septum in the heart. So conotruncal septum means it is the partition that separates the aorta and pulmonary artery in the developing heart. Then it forms the odontoblasts. So odontoblasts क्या होते हैं? So they are the specialized cells in the tooth that are responsible for forming dentin, द हार्ड टिश्यू बीनीथ द इनेमल. सो आपके टीथ में ये जो इनेमल है, शाइनी पोर्शन, उसके अंदर जो हार्ड टीथ है दैट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द ओडेंटोब्लास्ट ड्यूरिंग अर्ली एम्ब्रियोनिक पीरियड. Then dermis in the face and neck. So dermis is the medial layer of the skin, middle layer of the skin that located between the epidermis and subcutaneous tissue. Next it forms this spinal ganglia, especially dorsal ganglia. So the spinal ganglion, also called as dorsal root ganglion, it is the cluster of nerve cell body located in the dorsal root of the spinal nerve. Then sympathetic chain, that is or we can also call it as sympathetic chain ganglia, and it is also called as the sympathetic trunk, and it is the pair of nerve chains that runs along the both the side of vertebral column. Then it forms the pre-aortic ganglia. So these pre-aortic ganglia or sympathetic ganglia, they located in front of the abdominal aorta, and they are the part of autonomic nervous system and mainly supply the abdominal organ. Next it forms parasympathetic ganglia of gastrointestinal tract. सो ये भी न्यूरल क्रस्ट में से फॉर्म होता है एंड पूरा जो एंटेरिक नर्वस सिस्टम है ये फॉर्म करता है एंड दिस हेल्प्स द रेगुलेशन और इट रेगुलेट्स द डाइजेशन. देन एड्रिनल मेड्यूला. सो एड्रिनल ग्लैंड का जो मेड्यूलरी पार्ट है दैट इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड बाय न्यूरल क्रस्ट एंड इट इज the main function of this is as a part of sympathetic nervous system. Then Schwann cell. So Schwann cell जो होते हैं वो glial cell होते हैं और peripheral nervous system that form the myelin sheath around the nerve fibers and help in the nerve regeneration. Then it also forms the glial cells. They call the also they are called as neuralgia, and they are the supporting cells of nervous system that protect, nourish and support the neurons. Then it forms the leptomeninges or arachnoid or pia mater. So these two layers or these two leptomeninges are nothing but the two inner delicate layers of meninges that covers and protect the brain and spinal cord. Then they form the melanocytes. So melanocytes are the specialized cells that produce pigment melanin and which gives color to the skin, hair and eyes. So this how these are the structures are formed from the neural crust. Thank you so much for listening. You can subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for further updates, and in upcoming videos we will discuss more about the derivatives of other germ layers in the body, and you can share this video amongst the students.